A new food science study looked at whether okra mucilage could improve gluten-free bread when used with xanthan gum. Gluten-free bread is hard to make because it lacks gluten, the protein network that helps dough stretch, trap gas, rise, and form a soft crumb. Without it, bread can become dense, dry, crumbly, or firm soon after baking. Researchers made rice flour gluten-free breads using different ratios of xanthan gum and okra mucilage. Okra mucilage is the thick, gel-like substance from okra that can hold water and help form structure. Researchers made rice flour gluten-free breads using different ratios of xanthan gum and okra mucilage. Okra mucilage is the thick, gel-like substance from okra that can hold water and help form structure. The study measured moisture, loaf volume, crumb structure, hardness, chewiness, gumminess, springiness, resilience, and consumer acceptance over 72 hours of storage. The clearest finding was moisture. Bread with more okra mucilage held more water than bread made with xanthan gum alone. It also had better volume, a softer crumb, lower hardness, and less chewiness and gumminess. Springiness improved, but very high mucilage levels reduced resilience and slightly lowered overall consumer acceptance. The best balance appeared to come from equal parts okra mucilage and xanthan gum. The takeaway: okra mucilage is not a finished commercial solution yet, but it may help create gluten-free bread that is softer, moister, less gummy, and more enjoyable for people with celiac disease.